Drip, drip, drop. The vast blue sky hung high above, sore from an entire afternoon of rain. Here I am at Bedok Reservoir for my run. I'm a little later than usual, though still not too late. At first glance, there are visibly fewer people than usual in the park. On a usual day, the pavements are usually lined with people. But today, I only spot a handful of people. Probably because it had just rained. Good thing, I think to myself. Now I can enjoy my run without worrying about bumping into others. The evening is a symphony of all kinds of sounds. I can hear the chorus of animals chirping and the huff and puff of runners. Time to get ready to do some warm-ups. Today, my goal is to complete 5 kilometers. Doing warm-up. Time to start my run. Huff and puff. See you later. Minutes later, I've finally completed my run. I try to catch my breath and take in a deep gulp of air. Ah, such fresh air. Do you know the term used to describe the smell of air after a rain? It's called petrichor. Used to describe the earthy scent produced when rain falls on dry soil. Let's enjoy the view of Bedok Reservoir together. That's all for this video. Now it's time for me to head home for a cool shower and sumptuous dinner prepared by my mom. See you next time.